Welcome to our in-depth review of the Manzara Boutique Hotel Adults Only, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Bodrum, Turkey. This 3-star boutique hotel offers a unique blend of comfort, style, and breathtaking views that will make your stay unforgettable. So, grab a virtual cocktail and let's dive into what makes this adults-only retreat a must-visit destination. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Manzara Boutique Hotel offers a variety of room types to suit different preferences and needs. You can choose from double rooms, suites, or twin double rooms, each designed with a touch of elegance and comfort in mind. Picture yourself stepping into a stylishly decorated room, complete with a private balcony offering stunning views of the Aegean Sea. It's like having your own personal postcard view, minus the hassle of actually mailing it to yourself. Each room comes equipped with modern amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. You'll find a minibar, perfect for those midnight snack cravings, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, because sometimes you just need to catch up on your favorite shows, and a private bathroom complete with a hairdryer, because bad hair days have no place in paradise. Some rooms even feature spacious decor with a sofa and work desk, ideal for those who need to mix a bit of business with their pleasure. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, those balconies with sea views. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sun rise over the Aegean, or enjoying a glass of wine as the sky turns a kaleidoscope of colors at sunset. It's the kind of view that makes you want to pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your room to experience it. The hotel's design focuses on creating an intimate and stylish atmosphere, perfect for couples or friends looking for a relaxing getaway. The maximum occupancy varies by room type, so whether you're planning a romantic escape or a fun trip with friends, there's a room configuration to suit your needs. And while the hotel doesn't provide specific price ranges, you can expect the rates to vary depending on the season and room type. Pro tip: check booking platforms for the best deals, and maybe consider visiting during the shoulder season for a balance of good weather and better prices. Now, let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. The Manzara Boutique Hotel doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. Start your day right with a continental breakfast at the hotel's breakfast restaurant. Picture a spread of fresh pastries, local cheeses, olives, and maybe even some Turkish coffee to kickstart your morning. It's the kind of breakfast that makes you want to linger a little longer, savoring each bite as you plan your day's adventures. For dinner, prepare your taste buds for a trip to Italy without ever leaving Turkey. The hotel's Dante Restaurant serves up delicious Italian cuisine that would make even the most discerning nonna nod in approval. While we don't have specific menu highlights, you can expect classic Italian dishes with a Mediterranean twist. Imagine twirling your fork through a plate of perfectly al dente pasta or savoring a wood-fired pizza topped with fresh, local ingredients. And let's not forget about the wine, because what's an Italian meal without a good glass of vino? The dining areas embrace the Mediterranean and Italian concepts, creating an atmosphere that's both relaxed and sophisticated. While the hotel doesn't specify a dress code, it's safe to assume that casual attire is acceptable. After all, you're on vacation. Comfort is key. Just remember to make a reservation for dinner, especially at Dante Restaurant. Nothing ruins a romantic evening faster than a growling stomach and a "sorry, we're fully booked" at the door. Now, let's dive into one of the hotel's most appealing features: the pools. The Manzara Boutique Hotel boasts not one, but 2 outdoor pools with sea views. It's like having your own private oasis, complete with a backdrop that looks like it's straight out of a travel magazine. While we don't have specific details on the size and depth of the pools, we can assure you that they're perfect for cooling off on those hot Turkish summer days. The pool area is complemented by a sun terrace equipped with free parasols and sun loungers. It's the perfect spot to work on your tan, catch up on that book you've been meaning to read, or simply doze off to the sound of gentle waves in the distance. Just remember to apply sunscreen liberally. Nobody wants to go home looking like a lobster, no matter how delicious the seafood in Bodrum might be. It's worth noting that the pools are seasonal, so if you're planning a winter getaway, you might want to check if they'll be open during your stay. But even if the pools are closed, don't worry. The nearest beach is just a short 1,150-foot stroll away. While we don't have specific details on the beach type or available water sports, it's safe to say that a dip in the Aegean Sea is always a good idea. For those who like to stay active even on vacation, the Manzara Boutique Hotel has got you covered. The hotel offers fitness classes, perfect for working off all that delicious Italian food you've been indulging in. While we don't have specific details on the equipment available or class schedules, it's a great option for those who want to maintain their workout routine or try something new. Who knows, you might discover a hidden talent for Turkish aerobics. But let's be honest, vacations are all about relaxation, right? And what better way to unwind than with a spa treatment? The hotel offers a range of massage services that will leave you feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on another day of vacation. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Choose from full body massages, head massages, foot massages, back massages, hand massages, or even a couples massage if you're feeling romantic. It's like a buffet of relaxation, and we encourage you to sample everything. While we don't have specific details on signature treatments or operating hours, we can imagine that the spa embraces the same attention to detail and focus on guest comfort that's evident throughout the rest of the hotel. Picture yourself in a tranquil treatment room, the scent of essential oils in the air, as expert hands work out all the knots and tension you didn't even know you had. It's the kind of experience that makes you wonder why you don't treat yourself to massages more often back home. Now let's talk about what makes the Manzara Boutique Hotel truly special. Its unique selling points. First and foremost, it's an adults-only hotel. That means no screaming children in the pool, no family arguments at breakfast, and no tiny humans running around the restaurant at dinner time. It's a peaceful, grown-up paradise where you can truly relax and unwind. Secondly, those stunning sea views we keep mentioning. They're not just a nice-to-have, they're a defining feature of the hotel. Whether you're lounging by the pool, enjoying a meal, or relaxing in your room, you're never far from a breathtaking vista of the Aegean. It's the kind of view that makes you want to become a professional sunset watcher. Lastly, the hotel's central location in Bodrum is hard to beat. You're right in the heart of the action, with easy access to all the sights, sounds, and tastes that make Bodrum such a popular destination. It's the perfect base for exploring the city, whether you're interested in historical sites, shopping, or simply soaking up the local atmosphere. Speaking of exploring, let's talk about some of the nearby attractions that make the Manzara Boutique Hotel's location so appealing. Just a stone's throw away, 300 meters to be exact, is Bodrum Barlar Sokagi, the city's famous bar street. It's perfect for those who want to experience Bodrum's vibrant nightlife without having to worry about a long journey back to the hotel. For beach lovers, Gumbet Beach is just a 10-minute car ride away. It's a beautiful stretch of sand where you can soak up the sun, take a dip in the crystal-clear waters, or try your hand at various water sports. Just remember to bring plenty of sunscreen. The Turkish sun can be surprisingly strong, even for seasoned sun worshippers. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video is helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.